Welcome to Space Nexus. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. On November 15, 2025, China's C929 wide-body jet soared through the skies, marking a pivotal moment in global aviation. This 12,000-kilometer test flight wasn't just a technical feat. It was China's bold entry into the long-haul aircraft market, challenging the Boeing Airbus duopoly. Developed by COMAC, the C929 is designed to rival the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, offering airlines a new choice for intercontinental travel. Its successful flight signals a potential shakeup in the industry, as China demonstrates its growing technological prowess. The C929 is a cornerstone of China's Made in China 2025 initiative, aiming to transform the nation into a leader in high-tech manufacturing. Building a wide-body jet requires mastery of advanced engineering, and this achievement projects China's ambition and self-reliance onto the world stage. As the C929 completed its historic journey, it ignited national pride and signaled a new era of competition and uncertainty for the global aviation industry. Airlines and governments worldwide are now watching closely, as the arrival of a state-backed competitor could reshape strategies and market dynamics for decades to come. China's quest for a homegrown passenger jet has spanned decades, marked by setbacks and steady progress. The ARJ-21 regional jet, rooted in 1980s collaborations, was a learning experience that paved the way for more ambitious projects. The C919, China's first large narrow-body jet, entered service in 2023, signaling a leap in capability and confidence. Each project, ARJ-21, C919, and now the C929, built on the last, steadily closing the technology gap with the West. The C919's commercial debut and international orders showcased China's growing aerospace ecosystem and workforce. While still reliant on Western components, these milestones gave COMAC the expertise to tackle the complex C929. The C929 is the culmination of a patient, state-driven strategy to master the entire aviation value chain and achieve global recognition. The C929 began as a joint venture between China and Russia, aiming to challenge Western dominance in aviation. Geopolitical tensions and Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine led China to take full control, transforming the C929 into a symbol of national self-reliance. This shift allowed COMAC to set its own direction and accelerate the development of domestic components, especially the CJ2000 engine. Moving away from reliance on Western or Russian partners, China doubled down on technological independence. The C929's journey from collaboration to solo project mirrors China's broader ambition to control its technological destiny. The aircraft's successful test flight is a testament to China's adaptability and determination. Now, the C929 stands as both an industrial achievement and a matter of sovereign pride. Its evolution underscores China's resolve to become a global leader in advanced manufacturing. The C929's 12,000-kilometer test flight was a rigorous trial, simulating real-world long-haul routes and collecting vital performance data. The aircraft's lightweight composite fuselage and advanced aerodynamics deliver fuel efficiency on par with its Western rivals. Inside, state-of-the-art avionics and a spacious cabin aim to enhance both pilot control and passenger comfort. The test validated the reliability of the C929 systems, moving it closer to domestic certification by 2032. While initial models use Western engines, China's parallel push to develop the CJ2000 engine is central to its goal of full self-sufficiency. Achieving a reliable domestic engine remains a major challenge, but the proven airframe provides a solid foundation for future upgrades. This dual-track approach, using foreign technology while developing homegrown alternatives, reduces risk and keeps China's long-term ambitions in focus. The C929's technical success is a crucial step toward reshaping the global aviation landscape. The C929 is more than an aircraft, it's a strategic tool for China's economic and political ambitions. Success will anchor a high-value industry, create skilled jobs, and keep billions in aircraft purchases within China. Politically, the C929 embodies national pride and technological parity with the West, reinforcing China's vision of rejuvenation. As a diplomatic asset, China can offer the C929 to friendly nations, expanding its influence through aviation deals. Air China's role as launch customer ensures a strong start and real-world testing for the new jet. By positioning the C929 at the heart of its fleet, China signals unwavering commitment to the program. the C929 is poised to challenge Boeing and Airbus, especially in developing markets where cost and political alignment matter. For decades, Boeing and Airbus have dominated commercial aviation, making it tough for newcomers to break in. The C929 faces formidable competition, as established players have vast operational data and deep relationships with airlines. Airlines are cautious about new manufacturers, given the high stakes and long-term commitments involved. COMAC's initial focus will be China's massive domestic market, providing a guaranteed customer base and a chance to build credibility. Early orders from Chinese airlines will help refine the aircraft and gather operational data before targeting international buyers. To truly compete, COMAC must overcome perceptions about Chinese manufacturing and build a world-class global support network. Breaking the duopoly will require flawless execution, political backing, and patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The C929's long-term success depends on earning global trust and proving its value beyond China's borders. The C929's biggest challenge may be regulatory, not technical. Without FAA and EASA certification, its market will be limited to China and select countries. Gaining international approval is a complex, highly political process, especially amid current geopolitical tensions. The C929's reliance on Western components for key systems exposes it to potential export controls and supply chain disruptions. China is racing to develop domestic alternatives, but this transition is fraught with risk. Building global trust is another major hurdle. Airlines and passengers expect proven safety and robust after-sales support. COMAC must establish a reputation for reliability and transparency to win over international customers. Even with certification, many airlines may hesitate to adopt a new, untested platform. The path to global acceptance will be long and demanding, requiring more than just engineering excellence. Experts view the C929 with both admiration and skepticism. Industry analysts agree that technical achievement is only half the battle. Building global trust and support networks is equally vital. For now, the C929's success will be measured by its dominance in China's protected market, not international sales. Geopolitics will heavily influence the jet's global prospects. Friendly nations may embrace it, while others remain wary. Even a modest market share could pressure Boeing and Airbus to lower prices and innovate, benefiting airlines worldwide. The C929's impact will be felt long before it becomes a global bestseller, as it forces established players to compete harder. COMAC's timeline for commercial service is ambitious, and many experts expect delays due to certification and diplomatic hurdles. The C929 is a long-term play. China is prepared to wait decades to reshape the aviation landscape. By 2045, the industry could look very different, with the C929 as a key player. The C929's successful test flight marks a turning point in global aviation and signals a new era of technological competition. For China, it's the realization of a decades-long mission to achieve sovereignty in a prestigious, complex industry. The C929's arrival gives airlines a long-awaited third option, promising more competition, innovation, and choice. Its impact will ripple beyond China, forcing Boeing and Airbus to adapt and compete in new ways. The C929's journey highlights the interconnectedness and tensions of global supply chains and regulatory standards. Ultimately, the C929 challenges the notion that advanced technology is the West's exclusive domain. As it enters commercial service, the C929 carries not just passengers, but the ambitions of a rising global power.